Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramfal's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to completely back up your Windows 11 and restore it without losing any data. Imagine losing your cherished photos, key documents, or even your entire system due to hardware issues, malware, or accidental deletion. Having a full backup can save you, allowing you to recover everything to a previous state. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. Please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for me, and turn on the notification bell icon for more videos. You can back up your files onto any external hard drive, like SSD, USB drive, and many more. I've connected my external hard disk, which shows up as Drive E and Drive F. I'll be taking the backup on the external hard disk. Now, just click on the Windows search icon and type Control Panel. Make sure the view by is set as category, and click on Backup and Restore. On the left side, click on the Create a System Image option. Windows will search for backup devices and should automatically detect your external hard disk. Make sure to select the correct disk partition for your backup, then click Next. Now, choose which drive to include in the backup. Select the C drive and click Next. Click Start Backup. Windows will now start saving the backup. The time it takes will depend on the amount of data on your C drive. It could take anywhere from 15 minutes to over half an hour. Just wait for it to complete. The backup is now complete, and it took about 10 to 15 minutes since I don't have much data. If your C drive has a lot of data, it might take longer. Once it's done, you'll be asked if you want to create a system repair disk. Click No, because we don't need a bootable disk. You'll then see a message confirming that the backup was successful. Just click Close to finish up. We have successfully created a full backup of our Windows 11 system, including all settings and wallpapers. Now, let's see how to restore it. Before we start the restoration, I'll make a few changes to show you how it works. First, I'll open File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder, where I have 3 files. I'll select and delete them. I will go ahead and change my desktop wallpaper. These are the changes I have made, deleting the 3 files and changing the wallpaper. Now, let's move on to restoring your backup. There are 2 possible scenarios here. 1. If you can access your desktop, you can continue with the restoration process easily. 2. If your Windows has crashed and you can't get to the desktop, you'll need to force a shutdown 3 times. To do this, press and hold the power button on your PC or laptop until it turns off. Then, turn it back on. When you see the Windows or manufacturer logo, press and hold the power button again to shut it down. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times, and you will see a blue screen with troubleshooting and advanced options. If you can access your desktop, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Windows icon and select Settings. 2. In the left menu, choose System and scroll down to find the Recovery option. 3. Click on Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your computer will restart and bring up a blue screen similar to what you saw after force shutting down 3 times when you can't access your desktop. Once you're on the blue screen, 1. Select Troubleshoot. 2. Click on Advanced Options. 3. Choose System Image Recovery. You will now see a list of the recovery images you've created, along with their date, time, and the drive where the Windows backup is stored. Click Next, then click Next again, and finally click Finish. Confirm the restore process by clicking Yes. The restoration will now begin. It might take some time, so please be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Just click Restart Now, and your PC will boot up with the Windows backup you selected. Let me quickly sign in. As you can see, the desktop wallpaper we changed earlier is back to what it was before. Now, I'll open File Explorer and check the Downloads folder. You can clearly see that the 3 files we deleted have been restored. That's how Windows 11 backup works. It saves all your app settings, game data, and everything else. It's a smart move for every Windows user to create a backup. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Take care and goodbye.